It started to rain. It started to rain. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I got soaked. I got soaked. My shoe is wet. My shoe is wet. I am cold. I am cold. I am pointing to the moon. I am pointing to the moon. Can I come in? What's for dinner? Something delicious, homemade and fresh. What's for dinner? Something delicious, homemade and fresh. What is this? What is this? She is very nice. She is very nice. I promise I will help you with your homework. I promise I will help you with your homework. I am touching the TV screen. I am touching the TV screen. I dry my hands with a towel. I dry my hands with a towel. I work here. I work here. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. It's too hot. It's too hot.
She exercises at the gym. She exercises at the gym.
Let's move on. Yeah, let's go. Let's move on. Yeah, let's go. I'll pay the bill. Oh, are you sure? Thank you. I'll pay the bill. Oh, are you sure? Thank you.
Polly is cutting the grass in the backyard. Polly is cutting the grass in the backyard.
I water the grass every Saturday. I water the grass every Saturday. I water the plants and flowers. I water the plants and flowers. I walk my dog on the farm. I walk my dog on the farm. I like this white bird. I like this white bird. It's warm in summer. It's warm in summer. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. I love this place. I love this place. I am grateful. I am grateful. I dry my hands with a towel. I dry my hands with a towel. I bake cake for my lunch. I bake cake for my lunch. I drink tea every afternoon. I drink tea every afternoon. What time is it? What time is it?
The teacher said, "Look here before you start." The teacher said, "Look here before you start." Can you translate this for me?
Of course. Let me see.
Can you translate this for me?
Of course. Let me see.
They are fishing in the river. They are fishing in the river.
I missed my flight. I missed my flight. I cook dinner every night. I cook dinner every night. I am peeling the tomato. I am peeling the tomato. We are planting a tree on the farm. We are planting a tree on the farm. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm putting on my shoes. I bake cake for my lunch. I bake cake for my lunch. I play tennis on Monday. I play tennis on Monday. The ferry boat is late. The ferry boat is late. I cut the bread into slices. I cut the bread into slices. I take the milk out of the refrigerator. I take the milk out of the refrigerator.
Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.